Hi, my name is Anya. Today we're going to the island Ile Aux Cerfs, which is also known as Deer Island. It is situated near the east coast of Mauritius, in the Flag District. You will find there some of the world's beautiful sandy beaches, beautiful lagoon, and a big selection of activities and facilities. You can get to Ile Aux Cerfs from the mainland by speedboat, catamaran, or even yacht. These are available at various points on the east coast of Mauritius. Beside the golf club, one can also experience three beaches, restaurants, and engage in a wide variety of activities. Several water sport activities are also available there. Activities like water skiing, banana, glass bottom boat, and snorkeling can be done there. On the way to Ile Aux Cerfs, the boat will take you to see a beautiful waterfall which is known as GRSE waterfall. When you take an organized tour to Ile Aux Cerfs is usually much cheaper than traveling by yourself. Day trips are full of sun, drinks, delicious food, and a lot of fun. When you visit Mauritius, make sure to visit Ile Aux Cerfs. You will have experience which you can share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Bye. See you soon.